Life is an endless series of choices. Every moment presents opportunities to make decisions, shaping our destiny. From the mundane to the monumental, our decisions determine our experiences, relationships, and achievements. Mastering the art of decision-making is therefore crucial for navigating the complexities of life and unlocking our full potential. Welcome to Ledge Academy AI, where we fuel your growth and unlock potential. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to dive into transformative insights and access our exclusive, free Ledge Academy Essentials Vault. This vault provides PDF summaries of our videos, key for enhancing your learning. Let's dive into today's topic. Effective decision-making is not merely a matter of chance or intuition. It's a skill that can be honed and refined through understanding the psychological processes involved and adopting proven strategies. By delving into the intricacies of human cognition, we can gain valuable insights into how our minds work and learn to make choices that align with our values and goals. This exploration into the realm of decision-making will equip you with the knowledge and tools to approach choices with clarity and confidence. From understanding cognitive biases to leveraging decision-making models, we'll uncover practical techniques to enhance your decision-making prowess. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery as we unlock the secrets to making sound judgments and transforming your life through the power of effective decision-making. Effective decision-making is paramount in all aspects of life. At work, our decisions impact our careers, productivity, and overall success. Choosing the right projects, managing time effectively, and navigating workplace dynamics all hinge on our ability to make sound judgments. In our personal lives, decisions shape our relationships, health, and well-being. From choosing a life partner to making financial investments, our choices have far-reaching consequences. By mastering the art of decision-making, we can create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. The ability to make effective decisions is also crucial for personal growth and development. Each choice presents an opportunity for learning and self-reflection. By analyzing our decision-making processes and evaluating outcomes, we gain valuable insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Ultimately, effective decision-making empowers us to take control of our lives and shape our destinies. It allows us to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and create a future that aligns with our aspirations. Decision-making models provide structured frameworks for approaching complex choices. The OODA Loop, developed by military strategist John Boyd, emphasizes the importance of speed and adaptability in decision-making. It consists of 4 stages: observe, orient, decide, and act. The OODA Loop highlights the need to quickly gather information, assess the situation, make a decision, and take action. This iterative process allows for adjustments along the way, crucial in dynamic environments. Another valuable model is the decide model, which provides a step-by-step approach to decision-making. The decide model stands for define the problem, explore the alternatives, consider the consequences, identify your values, decide and take action, and evaluate the results. This model encourages thoroughness and a systematic evaluation of options. By understanding and applying these models, individuals can improve their decision-making processes, reduce errors, and increase the likelihood of making optimal choices. These frameworks provide valuable tools for navigating the complexities of decision-making in various contexts. Cognitive biases are systematic errors in thinking that can influence our judgments and lead to poor decision-making. These biases are often unconscious, making them difficult to recognize and overcome. Confirmation bias, for example, is the tendency to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs. Another common bias is anchoring bias, where we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive, even if it's irrelevant. Availability bias leads us to overestimate the likelihood of events that are easily recalled, often due to their vividness or recent occurrence. These cognitive biases can significantly impact our decision-making, leading to irrational choices and missed opportunities. By understanding these biases, we can become more aware of their influence and develop strategies to mitigate their impact. Recognizing and addressing cognitive biases is crucial for making objective and well-informed decisions. By challenging our assumptions and seeking diverse perspectives, we can overcome these mental shortcuts and make more rational choices. Analysis paralysis is a common pitfall in decision-making, where individuals become overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information or the fear of making the wrong choice. This overthinking can lead to procrastination, missed opportunities, and increased stress. To overcome analysis paralysis, it's essential to set clear decision-making criteria and prioritize information gathering. Focus on the most critical factors and avoid getting bogged down in irrelevant details. Setting deadlines for decision-making can also help prevent overthinking. Remember, no decision is reversible, and there's always a degree of uncertainty involved. Embrace the possibility of making a good enough decision rather than striving for perfection. Learning from past experiences, both successes and failures, can also build confidence and reduce the fear of making mistakes. Overcoming analysis paralysis requires a shift in mindset from seeking absolute certainty to embracing calculated risks. By focusing on the essential, setting limits on information gathering, and trusting your instincts, you can break free from the shackles of overthinking and make more decisive choices. While analytical thinking is crucial for effective decision-making, intuition and experience also play significant roles. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling, can provide valuable insights and guide us towards the right path. It's not simply a random hunch, but rather the culmination of our past experiences, knowledge, and subconscious processing. It allows us to tap into a wealth of information that may not be readily accessible through conscious thought. Experience, on the other hand, provides a rich tapestry of lessons learned from past decisions. By reflecting on our successes and failures, we gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Effective decision-makers learn to strike a balance between analytical thinking, intuition, and experience. They leverage data and logic while also valuing their gut feelings and drawing on the wisdom gained from past choices. Making decisions under pressure can be challenging, as stress and time constraints can impair our judgment. In high-pressure situations, it's crucial to remain calm and focused. Take deep breaths, and if possible, remove yourself from the immediate source of stress. Prioritize information gathering, focusing on the most critical factors. Avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary details. If time allows, consult with trusted advisors or mentors to gain different perspectives and insights. Remember that making a decision, even an imperfect one, is often better than delaying action. In high-pressure situations, inaction can have greater consequences than making a less than ideal choice. By staying calm, prioritizing information, and trusting your instincts, you can make more effective decisions even when under pressure. Remember that every experience, even a challenging one, provides an opportunity for growth and learning. Emotions play a complex and often underestimated role in decision-making. While rational thought is essential, our feelings and emotions can significantly influence our choices, sometimes leading to irrational behavior. Positive emotions, such as happiness and excitement, can make us more optimistic and risk-tolerant. Conversely, negative emotions like fear and anxiety can make us more cautious and risk-averse. It's essential to acknowledge and understand the influence of emotions on our decision-making. By recognizing how our feelings might be swaying our judgment, we can make more objective and rational choices. Developing emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our emotions, can significantly enhance our decision-making abilities. By becoming more aware of our emotional triggers and responses, we can make choices that align with our values and goals rather than being driven by fleeting feelings. Mastering the art of decision-making is an ongoing journey of self-discovery and continuous improvement. By understanding the intricacies of human cognition, cognitive biases, and decision-making models, we can make more informed and effective choices. Remember that every decision, big or small, presents an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the possibility of making mistakes, but always strive to learn from them and refine your decision-making processes. By honing your decision-making skills, you empower yourself to take control of your life, navigate challenges with confidence, and create a future that aligns with your aspirations. The power to shape your destiny lies within your choices. Embrace the journey of becoming a more effective decision-maker and unlock the transformative power of making sound judgments in all aspects of your life. Thank you for journeying with us towards greatness. Don't miss our free Lidge Academy Essentials Vault in the video description, a treasure trove of PDF summaries to enrich your exploration further. If you're inspired, subscribe, and explore the video description for more resources. Until next time, keep striving for your best.